We know you keep it. You know what we want. So why not choose the easy way instead of the hard way?
As time progresses, newer ideas emerge from the culture that is left behind. Many things which are considered normal become something new, different, and unnormal, and some of the stuff are forgotten. Some of those forgotten stuff are written down, passed down through generations as auditory information, or recorded by means of technology. But not everything is recorded, transmitted, or written down. There are lots and lots of things that are just lost. Things that won't come back around. Things that nobody will ever know about, even though at least someone, even one person down in history once knew. The names of many people are lost. In those names, some of them had many different ideas that could have had changed the world, only if they weren't dead. Only if they were given the chance to speak about their plans and could act upon them. Only if the time which was when those whose actions had enormous and heavy consequences allowed others to improve.
Oh, you! Who are you talking to? Answer my goddamn question and don't do that again.
Oh yeah, you exist. Do what again?
That weird color thing you do. It messes with my brain. Don't make me take you to the incinerator.
Oh god no. Alright, I'll speak. Good. Now tell me where to find it. I have many treasures, officer. Which one are you even after? The big one. You know what I mean. The big one? Philosopher's dirt? Quit messing around. Either you tell me where it is, or I'll take you to the... I know. Look, I can't trust the Inter-Universal Federation. The risk is too high. They won't understand what it is and use it for their own good. So, I say, how about I take you there and try to find this treasure? And while we're there, I'll teach you the proper way to handle that dirt.
I don't like the smell of it, but fine. Follow me and act like I'm taking you to the incinerator.
Quick, you can't risk being seen here.
Tell me the coordinates.
1430 gigaparsecs north.
North? We don't have north.
Don't worry, you don't need north. Just do the damn thing.
Okay. 1430. Wait. This place is beyond our observable universe. No treasure lies there.
Your tricks won't work on me, you filthy pirate.
Now I will open this pod door back again and take you to my offices and convince them that I caught you amidst your escape.
Nothing stays the way it was. Organisms lose cooperation. Objects lose current shape. Life evolves and comes to an end, and random space dust forms new life. It is both selfish and stupid to want immortality. Welcome to the year 693956E8, and have a pleasant flight.